Hey guys, welcome back to the drawing board. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an easy zebra. I'm drawing this on Procreate on my iPad, but you can use the same logic to draw this on paper too. I think the easiest way for you to draw this would be to follow along and draw the same lines and shapes that I draw as best as you can. Because I'm not sure how well I'll be able to explain everything, but let's try. So, now that you know the plan, let's get started. I'm going to start here at the snout and just move up and make the cheek. From here, we go down the neck and have a bit of a bump at the chest. From here, we start drawing the front legs. The bottom of a zebra's feet have hooves and a little notch above the back of them. Once we're done, now we're going to draw the base of the zebra's stomach all the way to the hind legs. Hind legs are a bit more curved than the front ones, but they have the same hooves. Let's take the line all the way up its thigh and stop here for now and go back over to the head and draw the ears. From there, we curve down the neck to the back and meet the lines at the curve of the butt. Now let's draw the zebra's mane, its hair. Zebras have shorter and more spiky hair on their mane when compared to horses, so I'll be drawing it going up and down like this, all the way to the middle of the back. Now, let's draw the other hind leg. From there, we're going to draw the tail. Zebra tails are thin, but they have a furry end. It sort of looks like an upside down paintbrush. And now finally, let's draw the other front leg. Now that we have the full outline, let's go back over to the face and start adding details, starting with the nostrils, the mouth, and the eyes. We're also going to color the snout black. Now it's time to give the zebra all its stripes. Just follow along and try to draw the stripes similarly to how I'm drawing them. It's perfectly okay for your stripes to be slightly different as long as the lines move in the same directions as what I'm drawing. Let's also color the zebra's mane black and then get back to drawing the stripes. The stripes go all the way along the body and even down the legs. They even get closer together the further you go down the legs. Color the hooves black. And color the tail mostly black as well. Now to the front legs. Now I'm just going to go back to the face and give some final touches to any gaps in the stripes here. And we're done. So there you have it, a simple zebra drawing. I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe for more art tutorials like this one. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you guys at the next drawing board. Bye guys.